Welcome to NI's CompactDAQ temperature measurement hardware bundle overview. If you're testing your products under different temperature conditions and you want to have a simple setup with confidence in your test data, then these bundles are right for you. We'll be covering the cDAQ-T1100 in this video, but NI understands there may be different test needs as well as needing to be mindful about your test budget. So we offer different types of temperature measurement bundles. Check out the technical resources to learn more. All these bundles include what you need for a one-stop shop for general purpose thermocouple measurements. Use it from everything from simply getting some temperature chamber data into Excel, all the way to adding temperature measurements to a more sophisticated test bench. So now let's go and look at this specific bundle, the cDAQ-T1100, which is our low-cost entry-level bundle. It has built-in signal conditioning for your thermocouple needs, such as built-in isolation and cold junction compensation. You can also directly connect a thermocouple with a Mini-TC end connector. No soldering or screws required. The entire bundle is very compact, so it won't take up much space and you can port it from one lab to another. And since it's rated to withstand -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, you can avoid those long thermocouple wires and put it right next to your device in their test. But now let's talk about specifics. What are you actually going to get in the box itself, some extra things you might need, such as sensors and softwares, and I'll even show you it in action at the end. So the box components. The bundle includes 3 components: a CompactDAQ chassis, a temperature input module, and a USB cable. For those unfamiliar with the CompactDAQ chassis, it's a rugged, compact, and modular platform that can connect directly into your PC with slots for various C-Series modules. You can add or swap out modules depending on changing requirements, which actually brings extra flexibility to your current and future test systems. In this specific bundle, we have the cDAQ-9171. It's a one-slot CompactDAQ chassis, which means it can house one module, as you can see right here. It also comes with a USB A to B cable, and this is the one that connects the chassis to a laptop, and the cable also provides power to the system. The module that is bundled with this chassis is NI's budget-friendly and entry-level temperature input module, the NI9210. You can connect up to 4 NIST standard thermocouples with Mini-TC connectors to gather data all in one system. And depending on if you have 4 sensors connected or just one, you can have as low as 3 points of temperature data every second or as high as 14 temperature data points every second, respectively. And as most thermocouple sensors output a voltage, those incremental changes will be proportional to the voltage output. So having a quality sensor is important, especially if you want to detect those small changes. And it's even more important to have hardware that can measure those small changes. The temperature module is rated for 24 bits resolution, so you can interface with virtually all types of thermocouples, and the hardware will be able to detect those small changes from a range of -80 millivolts all the way to +80 millivolts. So now that I have some hardware connected here, you'll see that I have a thermocouple with the mini jack connected right here. And a pro tip, the Mini-TC connectors fit a little snugly into the socket, so you may need to apply a little pressure to get it firmly into the module. The chassis right here, you'll see that I have the USB cable connected into the laptop. And once I connect this in, it has a little screw right here, so you can make sure that there's no movement of the cable with a strong connection. In order to interface with this hardware, I've already downloaded and installed NI's free hardware driver, the NI-DAQ-MX. This driver includes an extensive library of functions to use within various softwares to interface with NI's data acquisition hardware. The software I'll be using is NI's no-code data logging software, which is FlexLogger. But you don't need to use this software if it doesn't work for your needs. For more advanced capabilities and controlling multiple test systems, NI offers LabVIEW, which is a graphical programming environment. If you need both of these, as well as some more, such as interfacing with the web or generating automated reports, NI offers a bundle of different softwares, including FlexLogger and LabVIEW in the test workflow bundle. But let's say you want to code in your preferred language, you can also interface with the hardware with Python, C, MATLAB, and much more with the driver. But now let's see this bundle in action with FlexLogger. I'm going to now connect this module into this chassis, And there's only one way to put this module in here, which is very nice. I'm going to plug it in and you'll hear a nice click. There. So as soon as everything is connected to the laptop, it automatically detects that something is connected. If we go into FlexLogger, you can see that we can see the CompactDAQ chassis as well as the module. And I've configured this first channel already, and you can see that we already have a live value available. If you want a more visual representation of the data, you can go and head to the screen. I've put in a high-speed graph as well as other indicators that you can see here. As soon as I put my fingers on the thermocouple measurement, you can see that the graph gets higher and all the other indicators respond accordingly. As soon as I leave the thermocouple, it goes back to ambient noise. If I wanted to actually log this data, all I have to do is hit run, and it'll log as a .tdms or a CSV file, depending on if I so choose that. So go ahead and purchase your bundle today to get quality data for your test and flexibility for future projects and changing requirements. And as a reminder, if you'd like to compare those other temperature bundles, please check out the technical resources. And as a reminder again, please click the link below to check out the bundle prices to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.